welcome to Eanas kitchen. Today I'll be talking about how to choose a pineapple. So when you're looking for pineapples, you want your pineapples to be firm. Here, this is a perfect example. You know, it's not green all over, there's some yellowing at the bottom, right? And when I feel it, it's nice and it's firm, right? Here's an example of a pineapple that's getting a little bit too ripe. When you feel this type of pineapple, it feels sort of soft. All right, these are usually not ideal, especially if you want to just eat the pineapple. It might be, these ripe pineapples might best be served blended to make some sort of juice. But just keep note, when the pineapples get overripe, they tend to taste a bit fermented, and that taste might not be of very nice for most people. So here's an example of how I would take the top of the pineapple off. You just basically wring it, right? Very simple, right? In order to cut it, you just make one cut at the top, another at the bottom, okay? So you see this is a nice pineapple, nice fresh pineapple. And then, you know, it's pretty simple to cut. You just cut all the way around the sides. And when you cut them, you want to make sure that you get rid of all of these black protruding marks from the skin, right? Because if you eat that, a lot of times it's very unpleasant, and, you know, it tends to itch your mouth. Okay? So you just proceed to cut, right? Pretty simple, right? And here I'm just going to get rid of all of this extra. Okay? And here you can see we have a nice freshly cut pineapple. Hope you